Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So before we did Billie Eilish, so now we're going to be doing Ariana Grande custom sneakers. So what you guys are going to need is a mini iron, this some sneakers, and the stickers, which I'll be leaving them down in the description box below, so that if you want to order, you can just click on the link and just order it. And I also know that you can find these on Etsy's, but these stickers doesn't come with a name. So it's not like if you just type in a name and boom, you find it. That's not how it works. So I'll just leave it down in the description box down below. So first thing first, I decided to cut out Ariana Grande first. And then I'm just cutting off 7 rings. And I think the other part said if I want it, I got it. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm just cutting everything out, placing it on the shoes just to see how I would like it, how it will fit, and all of that. So the next step is to get your little mini iron. I have it on high heat. So all I'm going to do now is just run my iron over it, press down on my iron, my little mini iron, and go all the way up and down, round and round in circles, just to make sure that it's transferring onto the sneakers perfectly, because I want these to last forever and ever and ever and ever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Just iron it onto the shoes. This is really, really simple and easy. The first step. This only takes like 2 seconds, so it's really easy. Now it's time to remove it, and this one came off perfectly on the first try. So the next we're going to be doing the other part. And this is basically the whole video. We're just ironing on the stickers onto the sneakers to make them custom made. Really simple and easy. Now we're going to peel off the little stickers, and just like that, you guys saw how simple and easy it was, and how it did not take it wasn't long. It didn't take no time to finish. These are like my second favorite ones that I've custom made. I love it since I love Ariana Grande, and I'm happy about how they turned out. So next we're going to be doing the other sneakers. So I'm going to make sure that I line it up just like how I did before. Cut out the stickers, cut it out, and then just repeat the same step. We're going to be adding on some heat and then remove it. You should be good to go. Just a little FYI, if when you are removing a sticker you realize that it's not transferring, like, all you need to do is just put it back down, apply more heat on there. Do not just remove it and then put it back down. No. Apply more heat and then just remove it. It just means that there was not enough heat on there the first time, so that's why everything did not transfer onto the sneakers. So yeah, this is basically it. And the second one came off perfectly as well. So this is how it looks when it's on. I absolutely love it. I don't know how to model shoes, but this is basically that the whole video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Who knows what would that be? Probably more sneakers and other stuff.